Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to be doing a best friend tag because I'm back on YouTube and I'm using her fame in life to gain the views. So say hi.
Hi.
This is my best friend Apurva and
Yes. We're also sisters. I mean,
Yeah.
that's not.
हाँ हम राखी भी मनाते हैं every year.
Yeah.
तो हम बेस्ट फ्रेंड टैग करने वाले हैं which is basically asking each other questions. I'm going to be doing most of the asking and she's going to be doing most of the answering.
Okay.
And without wasting any more time, let's get into it.
That's what she said.
Question number 1. How did we meet? Facebook.
Facebook, yeah. We just started talking on Facebook, and for the longest time, we were long distance. Like, we had not met. We were pen pals.
Yeah. We met after a couple of years of talking. Yeah. And then we did not talk for 10 years in between for good reasons.
Yeah.
And then we got in touch again around COVID. And tab se,
We've been inseparable.
yeah. What was your first impression of me? Bol.
I don't know. I thought like she's this. She's one of those mean girls who know everything about the world, but then because they know so much, they are snobs and.
You think I know so much about this world?
Yeah, like not about the world, but like you don't know the inner workings of a lot of things, like how social cues work and those kind of things. जो मतलब एक emotionally mature इंसान को पता है उस टाइम की बात करी जब हम 12 साल
You thought I was emotionally mature?
No, I'm saying you don't know those things, but logistically you're very sound. You know what I'm saying? So that way you know a lot about the world.
And then you thought I was a snob.
Yeah. And like the way you used to drop your school ka naam and your like
My
neighbor.
school was Ryan.
I didn't know what
Right.
means what in Bombay, right?
ठीक है.
So I thought like she's this fancy person who's dropping celebrity
still-
names.
I'm still fancy.
Yeah, sure. मांग के टी-शर्ट पहनी है तो fancy.
ठीक है. My first impression of you was कि she used to live in Delhi when I started talking to her. So my only idea of Delhi was her.
Not bad.
Not bad. Not bad. Okay.
What's the better ones? Yeah.
What's our favorite memory together?
So many.
Many. But what's your most favorite?
I think I'll tell you yours. You waking me up after I have gone to sleep.
I remember last night.
Every night also. You have to wake me up
Huh.
when I've already gone to sleep. So once I'm asleep, I don't like to be disturbed. My food and sleeping habits are sacred to me, and this woman has no respect, no regard for any of that. It was about boy talk. Boy talk is not more important than my sleep. Sorry. Boy talk, my boy talk. It's not like you are in. It's not like you are in.
I was
that
only
situation.
concerned about you.
Thank you, but I was only concerned about sleeping and dreaming about other boys for not troubling me.
ठीक है. That is not my favorite memory though.
I'm just like, I was just reminding you.
तुझे बस
to not-
complain करना
Yeah.
है. I get that you're pissed.
Yeah, we have many favorite memories, bro. Rakhi every year is special.
Rakhi special. The one time we went to the beach was very special.
Yeah.
That was so nice.
Yeah.
And then that one time we jammed to Punjabi music for 6 hours straight.
And we worked out drunk.
Yeah, that was fun.
Yeah.
Describe each other in one word. Pagal.
Okay. Fair. I don't.
No, I want to use a nicer word. You know what? No, perfect.
Hectic for her. She's hectic. Everything she
Yeah.
does. I see her wash her face. She's like, and I'm like, dude. I understand. There's a lot to accomplish. I also have things to do and I'm worried. There's like a lot of responsibility on my shoulder, but I don't wash my face like this. You're hectic.
Who's more likely to get arrested?
It's both of us equally. I mean, if we get into something, we might just get into it. Otherwise,
Yeah.
we're the most responsible people ever. Like, we'll be careful about everyone else. But if someone messes with us, then there is no. Like, if someone really gets to us, एक होता है ना threshold cross ही हो गया है.
हाँ, तो बस बच गई.
या फिर बहुत ही ज़्यादा दिमाग खराब हो गया कि मतलब आज तो मस्ती मार के आनी है, कुछ तो मतलब कर देना है ऐसा.
हाँ.
Then maybe we'll get to that.
If we could go anywhere in the world together, where would it be?
Where would it be?
Not Bali.
Bali, I'm not going to.
Yeah, not Thailand. I feel like
Never discussed trips, no? Let's go to Spain.
नहीं.
चला decide कर लिया. Of course you've been to Spain.
Where would we go? Not I
Bora
feel like,
Bora.
नहीं. I would go to the Maldives or like Mauritius type of places with her.
That's my vibe.
Yeah, but the only trip I feel like we've got to plan. We've not been on a trip together, okay? But the only trip we've planned ever in life. I don't know if you will remember this, but you made a group chat to go to Lonavala once, which never Lonavala also did not happen.
That was the wrong group.
Oh,
Yeah, I shouldn't have made that group.
why?
Okay, we'll discuss it.
ठीक है हाँ, but like I feel like I would go to a beachy place with her.
Yeah, totally. I'm a beach person.
गोवा भी चले जाऊंगी. गोवा में
गोवा ही चल ले
गोवा,
यार.
हाँ.
कहीं चल ले.
वो एक plan हो जाएगा. What's one thing we have in common?
We're both empathetic people. We're both sensitive, and we take on too much responsibility.
Yeah.
Those are the things that we have in common. We take care of our parents in a lot of ways.
Yeah.
We're very responsible towards them.
But then we're still like children. हाँ,
हमारा
yeah.
बचपन अभी भी गया नहीं है. Which is great.
Yeah.
मेरा तो हर साल coming of age हो रहा होता है.
मेरा हर साल 18th बर्थडे का एनिवर्सरी होता है. What's one thing we completely disagree on?
Her coffee.
Starbucks.
Yeah. It's too much Starbucks in life.
Who takes longer to get ready in the morning?
Both of us are very quick.
Yeah,
Like I'm See, I'm an actor. My makeup takes 15 minutes because I've been doing it all my life. If I have to wear makeup, imagine not having to wear makeup. I have to go somewhere. 5 minutes and out.
Yeah. मुझे मेकअप पसंद नहीं अभी लाइफ में तो.
हाँ क्यों नहीं.
हाँ ठीक है नहीं पसंद है मुझे मेकअप अभी
तेरी
लाइफ
बात को करना पड़ता है अपने पेट पालने के लिए. इसका मजाक उड़ा रहे हो.
में. हाँ और हम दोनों ही कर लेते
मेरे को
हैं.
पसंद नहीं है. मेरे को भी नहीं लाइफ में मेकअप करना.
Yeah, if we don't have to wear makeup, we will not wear makeup. नहीं होता है. What's something only I would understand?
Okay, so when I text, I double text a boy, or when I, like go back asking for an explanation or wanting to vent to him, one final word, मुझे closure चाहिए, मुझे ये. In my heart, I know I should not.
Yeah.
But she's the only person who will get why I'm feeling a certain way.
Because we've both been there and like,
Yeah. We've all been there. I think only your best friend can understand while also telling you not to do it.
Huh.
Don't make yourself smaller for anyone. Is what your friend will tell you. But if you have the urge, go for it. So that's what I think only she will understand.
Yeah, like I would say go for it, but करना है तो कर लो.
लग रहा है तो कर लो.
हाँ. What's my favorite food?
Dosa. And she calls it dosa.
It's dosa.
It's not dosa. It's dosa.
Dosa.
Yeah.
Dosa.
Dosa.
Okay, what's your favorite food? Dal khichdi.
I don't know why you're stuck on dal.
I don't know. I feel like your favorite food is dal khichdi.
I like it, but it's not my favorite.
What's your
It's
favorite
like a
food?
comfort thing. My favorite would any day be dal makhani. One day old dal makhani. The whole world, entire Hinge knows. Hinge पे मेरा answer है. Dating me is like eating one day old dal makhani, and you still don't understand.
Sorry, na. I also like dal makhani. But dosa, I will eat dosa and I eat everything.
Thatte idli.
Yeah, I eat everything. Because all food is my favorite food.
Yeah, same. I feel like I'm golgappe now. There's a difference between golgappe, pani puri, and
I know, puchka. हाँ, ये पता
लोग
है.
मेरे को टोकते हैं कि why would you say golgappe? It's supposed to be pani puri.
No.
Yeah, it's different.
I like puchka more than everything else.
Yes, because खट्टा.
हाँ. अब वो आलू का filling.
Yeah.
जाते हैं.
चलो.
What's the best gift I've ever given you?
So many.
Oh.
You've given me. You always sent me a cake because it's our ritual
Yeah.
on my birthday. क्या हो गया भाई? And you just gave me a coffee scented candle, which was like.
Well, poem. Hello.
The poem. She wrote me a poem also. It was so cute.
I just wanted to tell you that it's very easy for anybody to write something like that because someone is incapable of doing these things as I am. I could still write a poem. So if someone does something like that for you, I just don't want you to set that as your benchmark of good things in life because a boy or girl or whoever can write poems and songs and whatever, and that's still something very easy to do because it was easy for me to do that. Okay. What's the best gift you've ever given me? My birthday mugs.
Oh,
I love them. I love them. I have a lot of Starbucks ka mugs, but
Sorry.
bindas. But I love these particular cups she gave me on my birthday because it's not Starbucks and it's refreshing.
It's well thought out also. I really wanted you
Yeah.
to have
Who's more likely to get married first?
this. You.
Yeah, probably me. लड़का तुम ढूंढ रहे हो. What's my dream job?
Is to not have a job and have a lot of money and like be a
Yeah.
rich wife. Not a rich husband's wife, a rich wife.
Yeah.
Like have her own money.
Yeah. I just want to be rich.
That's it. Same.
Your dream job, I'll tell you.
Apart from acting, apart from what I'm already doing,
Yeah.
because it's still a dream.
You're already doing your dream job, I
yeah.
feel. But I feel like if you aspire anything more than this, it would be something in the industry only. I don't think you're ever moving out of the industry.
You never
the
know.
film.
I might move into hospitality.
No, you will not. I know. I have full faith you will not.
I'm not saying I will move out of the film industry. I'm saying I might foray into.
Hospitality in the industry. No.
No.
Yeah,
That
no,
sounds weird.
exactly.
I mean, I might also dabble with having my own cafe or like a little boutique
Oh,
hotel.
nice, yeah.
Or whatever.
But that's not your dream job.
What else do you? Okay.
I feel like- I feel like-
education वाले तरफ जा थोड़ा सा. So
Arts.
yeah, like not study it, but like what do I want to study?
Psych.
I want to be a therapist.
That's nice.
Free therapy for all my homies.
Who's more competitive between us? Me.
Yeah, exactly.
I
Yeah.
am. My reality is reality. Who man? But competitive, not in like in a jealous way. Yeah, not in a negative way. But like अगर हम लूडो खेल रहे हैं तो मुझे जीतना है. अगर हम ऊनो खेल रहे हैं मुझे जीतना है. अगर हम कुछ भी खेल रहे हैं मुझे जीतना है. I feel like not just with her in life.
Yeah, maybe whom actually, but मेरे को चलता है handle. Like I pick my battles.
Yeah. Have we ever gotten into a fight?
Have we? No, we've not. Like I scolded her for waking me up yesterday for no reason. She gets that a lot, and I'm just like, dude, shut up. Just shut up. She's like, Gigi, this happened. I don't care. I literally woke up and said that and went
You
back.
did say that.
रात को I scolded you. सुबह को also you woke me up. About
So I
something.
woke you up.
Yeah, you said something, and I was like, and I went to sleep. Yeah, that's the max we've gone to.
Yeah.
She can't scold me obviously, of course.
But no fights. नहीं, हम कर लेते हैं बात. जितना
If I'm irritated with her, I'll tell her I'm irritated with you.
Yeah. If I'm angry or like if I've misunderstood something, I know it's not coming from that place. मैं बोल दूँगी सीधा कि I know this is not coming from that place, but like I'll have to.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's one song that reminds you of me? Oh, this is a nice question. And don't say one with the word Chandni in that song, please. No.
I think now it's a hip hopper, a hip hopper, working girl.
ये song reminds you of me.
Yeah. मेरे love के दरिया में एक जब डुब डुब के लोना सर a hip hopper.
हाँ ठीक है. One song that reminds me of you is because I saw the movie Laila Majnu with her. All Laila Majnu songs remind me of her. All of them. What's one secret we've kept from everyone? मुझे भी नहीं पता क्या secret रखते हैं. नहीं रखते क्या secret?
Everyone मतलब कोई reason होगा ना. मुझे याद भी नहीं आ रहा वैसे तो. तेरा क्या है? एक तेरा मेरा एक है secret. मैंने बताया था तेरे को एक चीज. अब मैं बोल नहीं सकती. That can start fights, huh? Like legit, like आग लग सकती है दुनिया को इस बात से.
हाँ ये gossip वाले secrets हैं. ऐसा कुछ है नहीं बड़ी बात. If I were a color, what would I be? Don't say pink.
The color for me, okay. Maybe maroon. Maroon.
Yeah. Like a darker color for sure.
A wine lipstick that you're wearing.
Yeah. This is not maroon.
It's not, but I'm also not wearing glasses, so like I can't see much.
You'd be not lavender. I know that's your favorite.
That's my favorite color.
But you'd not be lavender. You'd be like a baby soft pink. Not like a baby pink, but like a soft. How do I?
Or like
Yeah, like that.
It's
Like the nude pink. When you swipe to the second page of colors on Instagram का story editing thing उधर दूसरा तीसरा color आता है ना That pink. You
Very
be that.
specific.
Very specific, yeah. What's something we've learned from each other? I'll go first.
No.
The one thing I learned from her was to not be panicky, because there was this one time we were at the beach and we were moving the mat because the water was coming आगे and we had to keep moving the mat पीछे. So every single time we moved it, थोड़ा coffee गिरते गया, and I kept getting anxiety over the coffee spilling. But she kept telling me कि तो क्या हुआ? Coffee तो गिरा है, mat पे तो गिरा है, धो लेंगे. But these things are not normal for me, where थोड़ा सा भी कुछ गिर जाता है तो I get very panicky. But she taught me how to really chillax, and अगर कुछ गिर गया है तो it's just spilled, it's not the end of the world. And I learned how to sort of control my reactions with her. What's something you learned from me?
Never leave your discounts. Always avail your discounts. Always avail all the services that you're getting.
Yeah.
Whether you've paid for it or whether it's complimentary, fucking get it.
Yeah, get what you deserve.
Yeah.
I'm serious.
And get and then some more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Would I rather be famous or rich?
You,
Yeah.
rich, for sure.
Yeah. I think you'd be famous. No?
No.
No, rich.
I want money. I like recognition. I don't like fame.
Good answer. Good answer. That's a good answer. How do we cheer each other up when we're down?
You send me meetha, which I'm not allowed to have. I'm not supposed to have.
Yeah.
I send you words of affirmation because I'm stingy like that.
No, but we just talk it out.
Yeah, we don't.
Like if we're down, venting it out is very difficult for people
Yeah.
normally, but it becomes easier for us because जो चीज़ अंदर से खाते हैं बोल देते हैं, भले एक हफ्ते बाद बट बोल ही देते हैं. What's something you wish I would do more often?
Take more trips. I mean, I wish that for you. I know you want to, but it's not possible with your job and all the work that you do. But I wish you could take a lot of trips.
Thanks.
Otherwise, the money that you make, just give it to me. I'll take the trips. I have a lot of time.
Yeah. One thing I wish you did more often is more films, more work.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, one second.
So anyway,
Anyway, I want for her.
that's something that will happen to me. I want something you want me to do actively.
Cook more for me.
Walked into that. I want to do that.
If we could start a business together, what would it be? I wanted to start candles with her.
Okay.
Yeah. But like anything I do with her will be very D2C because that's my forte, and also she's good at
Stuff.
stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
And
don't
we
talk
like
about
candles.
crystals. I don't talk about crystals in public.
Yeah, but you like candles.
I like it.
Yeah.
Let's
And also anything I do with her, I know it will be very ethical and all of that because she will not do it if it's not ethical, so that will also keep me in check. Not that I would do anything unethical, but still.
Still, yeah. I'm a partner you can depend on without
Yeah.
having to do a background check on.
Yeah. तेरी मम्मी को कॉल कर ले आंटी.
Auntie, आपकी बेटी.
Oh, what's one food I absolutely can't stand?
I know. You don't like eggs.
Yeah. Oh my god, yeah.
What do I not like?
Milk.
I like milk. I can't have it. So I've
What do you
gotten
not
used to
like?
not liking it.
What do you not like?
Mushrooms
Oh,
and kathal.
you don't like athar?
Jackfruit. Jackfruit. Did I say jackfruit?
Jackfruit. Gujarati. Huh.
Jackfruit and mushrooms.
Interesting. Okay, fine. I'm gonna ask this question, one last question, and then we'll wrap this up. What's one advice you would give me?
I give you advice every day, you don't listen to things, and then you finally come around and you're like, oh, you were right. The same goes for me. Sorry, you tell me things.
I'm just saying parting note देना मेरे को advice.
No, just keep listening to what I say. Like, I have a proper idea of what you want, and I know you inside out almost. I mean, इतना तो कोई किसी को नहीं जान सकता, but जितना जान सकता है उतना मैं तुझे जानती हूँ. And I want the best for you. There's no jealousy involved. We're not even in the same profession. We're not. We don't like the same kind of people.
We hate the same kind of people, but
Which makes
works
us
out, yeah.
very good friends also.
that's like
Okay, so yeah, so I think you should listen to me. and I'm generally very smart and like this is not a joke. I'm mostly
I'm taking this seriously.
I'm genius. So that's what I'm trying to say. So just listen to me.
Okay, that's your advice for me.
Yeah,
to listen
and-
to you.
Yeah.
Okay.
What is your advice to me?
Don't listen to me.
Yeah.
No, but I never give you bad advice.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, for whatever reason, I've turned out to be a good friend to you.
Yeah, I'm surprised.
Yeah, I'm also surprised at my friendship skills here because I don't think I've been this sound in a friendship with anybody. Oh, I like this. Cool, so this is the end of the video and I hope you gained insight into our friendship. Not like it's adding anything to your life. So just देख लो and फिर तुम ही बोल दो like, share, comment, subscribe तुम्हारी मान लेंगे.
Of course, guys. तो like, share, comment, subscribe सब कर लो इनके चैनल को. बहुत मजेदार कंटेंट डालने वाली है आगे आने वाले दिनों में. Please do the needful. Please. What else can I do?
इसके बाद में है. Yeah. ठीक है कर लो like, share, comment, subscribe कर लो.
जी
Please. Please subscribe, okay? Please, thanks.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Bye.